This is delicious lemon curd that I made myself with ingredients that I sourced myself, and it's positively wonderful. Thought I might show you how I make this. It's very simple, and you don't have to stand at the stove stirring for a very long time. We're going to make this in the microwave. We're going to start this very easily. This is so easy, you're not even going to believe it. You're going to use 3 eggs, and these are at room temperature. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a cup of sugar. I'm going to just whisk these together. I'm just going to get this sugar incorporated with the eggs. I have the rind of 1 fresh lemon. This really gives a brightness, and those oils from the zest are going to really bring out the flavor of the lemon. 1 cup of lemon juice. You can use your choice, either fresh squeezed or bottled. The only other thing that we're going to need is 1 stick of butter that I have kind of cut up into pieces, and you just want to break that up because it aids in the melting process. It melts a little more quickly. But after the first time in the microwave, it's going to be broken down completely. Now we're going to move over to the microwave, and I'll show you what happens next. I'm going to put this in the microwave for minutes of 1 increment each. Now when I do that, I just hit 1, 1, 1 because the 11 seconds isn't going to make a difference. My microwave is 1100 watts. Your microwave may vary. This may take anywhere from 4 minutes to 10 minutes to get thick and proper. So mine usually takes between 8 and 9. So I'm going to do a minute, and then I'll be back. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we're at the 4-minute mark. We just finished this mixing for 4 minutes, and you can see there's a little foamy, and it is a little bit thicker. Now over the next few more minutes, you're going to notice that the mixture is going to become very thick, and it's going to start turning a little more transparent, not so opaque. And when that happens and it's thick enough to mound up on a spoon, then you'll be done and ready to put it in a container to cool. Now the other thing I wanted to let you know, you must put it in a container that is 2/3 larger than the amount that you have in the vessel, because it will bubble all the way up to the top. And to avoid spillover and cleanup issues, you want to make sure that you're in the lower 1/3 portion of whatever container you're using. So back in for another minute, and this will be the 5-minute mark. All right, this is after 7 minutes, and I wanted to warn you about something. If you have a spoon or something, please do this and slowly stir, because it will start to bubble up on you, and you don't want to get a reactive burn from this splattering all over your hand. And the reason I say to put that in there is because sometimes when we put the whisk in there, we tend to want to vigorously stir things. So, and the glass is going to get hot, so please make sure that you either have asbestos hands or a pot holder available. Now we're going in for our 8-minute mark, and then I'll bring you back and I'll show you what it looks like. This is after 8 minutes, and it's bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. But you can see it is no longer foamy, and it's no longer opaque. You can see where it's really starting to become clear. I'm going in for 9, and by then it should be perfect. Our lemon curd is finished. This was in the microwave for 10 minutes in 1-minute increments. Now you know your curd is finished when you stir it, and with the whisk you can really tell how thick it's become, and then you can see how thick it's become. It coats the back of the spoon perfectly, and now all you have to do is wait for it to cool. I hope you try it. I hope you love it, and until next time, I'll see ya.